From Krux Trucks, this is the new Bokay truck. Bouquet, like a bouquet of flowers, get it? Anyway, it's available in 3 different sizes. 3.5, which is 7.6 inches wide at the axle. Great for any boards from like 7.4 up to 7.8. The 4.0, which is 8 inches wide, and great for boards from like 7.8 up to 8 1/4. And then the 5.0, which is great from 8 1/4 up to say 9 inches, probably not any bigger than that. They're all tall versions, so they have regular kingpin and are tall in height, not lows. They also have the Krux forged base plate, very strong, very light, signature Krux hole, killer bouquet flower graphic, very floral. Your grandma's down with this print. It's all good. The Krux Bokay 3.5, 4.0, and 5.0 available now. We also have a killer video with Justin Strubing shredding them, so check those out.